Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change your language on Instagram app. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So if you are using an Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first, you want to open your Instagram app and then go to your profile by clicking the profile button on the lower right side of your screen. After that, go ahead and click on these three little lines on the upper right side of your screen, then settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see language and then click on it, and then it says continue to the next screen. Tap the language to select the language you want. So just read that, and once you are done reading, so just go ahead and click continue. Okay, so read that and then scroll down until you see language section. Okay, just go ahead and click that, and then are all the language available, and you can choose any language that you want. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.